Light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. So, if people around the world are lighting fireworks and dressing up their homes with colorful decor, candles, diyas, then it's Diwali, the festival of light. Diwali is an Indian festival that symbolizes celebrating lightness, hope, and goodness over the world, and very special to we Indian families. The festival generally lasts 4 or 5 days, which is followed by Dhanteras being first day when we buy something like gold or silver coin, followed by Yam Puja when we light diya made up of cow dung, that is gobar, as said in our language. Then comes Diwali when we worship God Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. However, plenty other histories related to this very day. Next comes Kali Puja or Choti Diwali, which may be celebrated same or different day. Same as Diwali, and we worship Goddess Kali. Diwali is all about love and sharing. We greet each and every one of us. And not to forget Rangoli, which is a colorful art made from abir or colorful sand made outside our home during this festival. Special saved sweets which you will find mostly during Diwali only. On this occasion, we wear our finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of our homes, and perform worship of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth. Anyone can be overwhelmed by the beauty and color. On this very day, the whole country seems to be sparkling from the light of diyas. May the light of diyas guide you on the way to the happiness, success, and may the coming year provide you with everything that brings you joy. And never to forget the heroes of our country, be a soldier, policeman, navy, doctor, an engineer, mariner, or any person who has sacrificed their Diwali for our celebration. Once again, happy Diwali everyone for each and every year to come.
हो गया Happy Diwali everyone.